guys, welcome. Why are you not saying it? Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of R&R. Today, I am trading in my iPhone 11 Pro for this iPhone 13 Pro, which was a free trade-in. And this feels 3D.
You act like you never got a phone before.
Fun fact, I've never paid for a phone before. All my phones have been gifts or trade-ins. Okay.
I did not get her this phone.
Well, you pay for my phone bill, don't you?
Don't put that in.
Anyway, let's open it up.
Do it in front of the camera.
I did. It's gold too. This phone look big.
What you mean this phone look big?
That don't look gold. That looks
gold.
silver.
What you talking about? Put it up. Let me see.
Be careful.
Oh, I'm not gonna damage your phone, girl.
That looks silver.
Oh.
It definitely say gold. Definitely silver.
Let's see.
We have the light right there. They probably can't see anything.
Look. Oh, it do look silver. Look.
I told you it looks silver.
Dang. It's a rip off. What did they just put?
I don't really care. I guess I see a gold tint.
Maybe it's the light. ASMR.
It's not ASMR.
Ooh. Ooh. Nice. It's looking so nice. What if I just dropped it right now? Would you be mad at me?
What is this? What is this?
That's for your SIM card.
Oh.
Nice.
Come on. Let's get on with it.
Let's go. You want to put your screen protector on there?
I will.
Look, here's a screen.
It's not a screen protector.
I mean, that's a screen protector. The SIM card ejector tool.
And my charger.
Girl,
what you doing?
That's my charger.
It's not your charger.
And
you can have the old broken one.
And our old the USB-C charger. Doesn't come with the fast.
It don't come with the.
It don't come with the fast charge.
It don't come with the box. You mean? This is the fast charger.
No, the fast charger is your box.
Whatever.
Oh, let me show y'all mine. Ooh.
You have the Pro Max. Nobody cares. They can't see it. They don't care. You have to show it in comparison to another phone.
Bigger.
Bigger isn't always better.
That's true.
Alright, what I do now? Come on, I gotta switch it over.
Power it up.
Turn it on. This phone big.
What you talking about?
It's thicker.
Yeah. That's good. You gonna put it right on the glass? Oh my.
What am I supposed to do?
Let me go get my handy dandy to that.
This is my old phone. Right here. And this is the one. The 11 Pro, 13 Pro. See? It's thicker. All this thickness.
But you should show it how you're setting it up.
What you mean show it? It just say hello.
Yeah.
I gotta slide up. Oh.
Set it up.
People don't care. What I click? Oh. Bring your iPhone, iPad near this phone to set it up and sign in. Oops.
Yep. Hit that. Scan it. There you go. Enter your passcode. There you go. And now it may take a few minutes to activate your phone. That's where you gotta leave it alone.
Huh?
That's it. Leave it alone.
What?
That's it. That's pretty much it. What's wrong?
What?
That's it.
No, it's not. How does first position your face in the camera? Oh, I should get my hat on my face.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Nice. Continue.
Nobody cares about this.
Oh, great. It's glitching. Transfer data.
20 to 25 minutes?
Yeah.
What?
Hit agree.
You have to read it.
Oh my gosh. You just leave the phone right next to each other. That's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward. Bam.
Crap!
You could hit add card later.
So I got this screen protector from Amazon.
Oh, you even got the glass screen protector camera for your camera?
I guess.
Nice.
So Robbie's gonna put it on. It comes with a lot of wipes. What's that? Three wipes.
We need the wipes.
3 camera protectors.
Yep.
And the actual
Screen protector.
screen protectors.
Which one did you get?
I got the one you told me to get.
Okay, good.
You gotta wipe that out.
Good, that's what I'm about to do. Bam. Bam. There we go. Nice. Oh, you could actually see the color right here. Isn't that nice? Comment down below if you want me to install your screen protectors for you.
Why would they want you to do that?
See? Nice.
Alright, and my phone case that I bought from Amazon. What?
Shouldn't you let me touch it? Because I'm wearing gloves.
Touch a phone case?
Because you got all the smudges.
Ain't no smudge. Ain't no smudges on.
These phones look so beautiful. Why would you do it on this? It's gonna scratch it.
It's fine. Beautiful. Beautiful. Hey, hey!
Do it.
No. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Check me out. Check me out. Look. Look at your face. Yeah, baby. Check me out.
That's it. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace
Check
out.
me out.